Over the weekend, the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, SVB, which had ties to crypto, caused widespread turmoil in the cryptocurrency market. It was the second crypto-linked bank to go under in the past week. Following the collapse, the U.S. Treasury Secretary, Janet Yellen, convened top financial regulators to discuss the situation. In the aftermath of the discussions, crypto markets went into turmoil, with echoes of the 2008 global financial crisis. However, unlike traditional finance, crypto lacks a centralized authority that can provide a bailout in times of crisis. Some key points are: Circle Internet Financial's USDC stablecoin, which is designed as a safe place for investors to park their money, massively depegged from its intended $1 price, sinking to as low as $0.869 on the Kraken exchange. The depegging of USDC is a harrowing development for investors, and it was further revealed that about $3.3 billion of the reserves backing the world's second-largest stablecoin were tied up at SVB. The collapse of SVB caused stablecoin prices to wildly swing, and Ethereum gas fees soared as investors scrambled to move their money around. MakerDAO's DAI also depegged from $1, while USDT spiked to $1.06 on Kraken versus the US dollar as investors shifted their money away from USDC. Gas fees, which measure how much it costs to complete an on-chain transaction, surged, with Ethereum's median gas fee jumping as high as about 231 GUI versus the roughly 20 to 40 range seen earlier on Friday. The collapse of SVB has raised questions about who, if anyone, will step in to help. When Razer CEO Min Liang Tan tweeted that Twitter should buy SVB and turn it into a digital bank, billionaire Elon Musk tweeted in reply, "I'm open to the idea." However, it remains to be seen what actions, if any, will be taken to help stabilize the cryptocurrency market in the wake of SVB's collapse. In final words, the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, SVB, has caused significant turmoil in the cryptocurrency market, with stablecoin prices depegging and gas fees surging. The lack of a centralized authority in crypto raises questions about who will step in to provide a bailout, if needed. The situation highlights the need for increased regulation and oversight in the cryptocurrency industry to prevent similar incidents from occurring in the future. It remains to be seen what actions will be taken to stabilize the market in the wake of SVB's collapse.